Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to copy a Discord server. So at first, what you want to do is just go to Discord. Then from here, just go to any of your server that you want to copy. Then just click on the drop down menu. Then click on server settings. Then from here, just click on server template. Now here, you want to give it a title. Just give it anything, like any name you want, and give it a description if you want. Then click on generate template. After that, it will give you a server template link. Just copy this, close this, and just paste it anywhere. Then you can click on view template. Then from here, you can give a name to your new server. For example, I'm naming it Take Leopard. And you can upload a server picture if you want. Then just click on create. And there you go. A same server has been created using the template. And that is how to copy a server on Discord. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.